Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making beef stew in the crock pot. So here, I'm just cutting the beef stew into smaller pieces. Once I was done cutting it up, I just went ahead and put it inside the crock pot and then started cutting the potatoes in half. As you can see here, I'm using the small red potatoes. Okay, now I'm just going to be cutting the onion up, and then I'm going to cut up a green and yellow pepper and add them in. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so now I'm just going to be adding some carrots inside. I'm just mixing everything up again, and then I'm going to be adding oil, some browning, and some water. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my page so you can be notified when I post more videos. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how it looks. Then I'm going to put the top on it and let it cook for 4 hours on high. Now that it's done, this is how it looks. And then I'm just going to be making my plate.